Isključujem. Ovdje gumb.
Don't work this button. I cannot switch on
Isključujem.
Kindle device, my Kindle device, and
Kindle.
after
Pa ću otvoriti pogledati spoj baterije nije
I
dobar.
just
Spoj baterije
have
nije dobar.
changed
Otvorit ću s ovim alatom.
battery
Ovu
of the
zadnju
Kindle.
ploču.
And now I take off, I'm
je
going to
ovdje-
take off back cover
Ovo je
and look at
baterija.
connection of the battery. I'm suspicious of that
Ovo
connect,
je
and
baterija, a ovo je...
I'm right. That connect
Taj
is
spoj.
not secure, is not
I to on-
hard. It is
e,
very, very bad
spoj,
connect. Always
znači,
very flexible,
jako je
not
loš.
secure, not
To se vrlo
not
lako
hardening, and
odigne.
that connect. I'm not satisfied with that connect, but I cannot made
Evo,
better,
podignuto.
nothing better.
I
I try,
ovo- ovo nikako
tried.
dobro ne stoji.
I have tried, but
Ovo sad...
I can. And I'm going to clock master. He can see
Pokušavam
it
već
better than
pola
me,
sata to staviti
and
kako
maybe
spada, ali to je sitno.
he
ne
can
vidi
hardening
se,
that
trebalo
connect.
bi. I izgleda da sam